let's turn our attention to Mr. Herman Daniel Ibrahim, a member of the National Energy Council Indonesia. Mr. Herman will elaborate about the challenge and strategies to achieve just and orderly transition. Mr. Herman, time is yours.
Good evening, everybody. The honorable people, as stated by Pak Josman, so I don't have to repeat. Pak Josman has already mentioned the honorable, so honorable person as stated by Pak Josman and also the speaker. So my topic is a hard topic for me because my professional background is power, but now I have to speak about just transition. But before that, maybe I would like to share with Miss about gender equality. Yeah? For Indonesia, gender equality at home, women stronger than men at home. Yeah? And also, as older we are, like myself, above 60, more stronger. Women more stronger. And men getting weaker after 60. This is just to share with you. Okay, first about definition. Definition, yeah. There are definition about just transition. But I think I found definition can be made by every parties. So every parties has their own definition. Also like, I have to, not easy, you have, you just. I think I can see here, yeah, definition. So I define just an orderly transition, my own definition, yeah, my own definition. First, ensure the adequate and secure electricity and energy supply and affordability of energy prices along the transition process. The transition does not burden the national economy and does not reduce the government ability to achieve economic development targets, especially to exit from low middle income countries by 2045, yeah, as targeted in our national long-term plan. Then, this is, I think, similar to Buroro, yeah. I put the most important is achievement of the SDGs. So energy transition is priority, lower priority than to achieve the SDGs. Because in SDGs, it's only one, yeah, number 7, yeah. SDG number 7, low carbon energy, yeah, low emission. So transition does not affect the ability of government to achieve the sustainability development goals. Loss of jobs especially and loss of government revenues replacement. You said 5 minutes more, yeah? But I can make it 3 minutes. Okay, I jump to the one about, next slide, landscape. So in my observation, just energy transition so far, maybe like a popular jargon, yeah, popular jargon to do the transition, especially in developing countries, but not really justice. Yeah, I found not really justice. That's what I feel. So this energy transition project to achieve net zero emission. There are, I just touched the non-physical projects, yeah. Setting the target, policy and strategy to boosting renewable and low carbon energy and declining fossil energy use. Setting the roadmap, also inventory of renewable energy potential, capacity building, as also mentioned by Pak Didi, to develop awareness, leadership, commitment, and cohesiveness among the leaders. Develop positive attitudes, commitment of energy and industry leaders to implement decarbonization, and develop public attitudes, awareness, and support to climate change and deep decarbonization program. And then develop international cooperation and partnerships for technology, funding support, and best practices. Next slide is the landscape. I show you this landscape. Landscape. The diagram. Mundur. Back. It didn't work. Maybe it's one direction, yeah?
One-way ticket.
Okay. I have it here, yeah? I think to be quick, I just move to the key success factor of energy transition. Yeah. First, the deployment of main resources. Main resources is renewable energy resources, allocation of land, yeah, because the energy to be used in the future is low density energy, like biomass, solar. It will require spacious of land. And then also technology. And then, okay, sorry, not technology. Energy transition funds, yeah. For Indonesia, at least $1 trillion to implement the transition. Technology revolution. Variable renewable energy, solar and wind, and their integration, storage technology and production, and utilization of hydrogen and ammonia, technology of CCS and CCUS. Effective regulation and strategy, and then also leadership and collaboration. Leadership and intergovernmental sectors and institution collaboration. Commitment of major energy players like PLN and Pertamina, and cohesiveness among national elites. I think I should elaborate a bit. If we do energy transition, what I expect, there is no political, among the elite of the politic will accept and will support. So we cannot have different political view on this transition aspect. Public acceptance and support. This will exist if we maintain supply security, price affordability, and achievement of SDGs. Public support and climate action. Public acceptance and transition impacts. And lastly is international support and cooperation. So I just ask a simple question to public. What do you choose? Cleaner energy or cheaper energy? Most public say cheaper energy in Indonesia, not cleaner. So this also indicates that for the just energy transition, cheap energy is important than cleaner energy. Yeah. So for PLN, Pak, the most important is cheaper. Yeah. Cheaper than cleaner. Okay. Now the maybe I go to the strategy. Yeah. Challenge. Yeah. The challenge, maintaining electricity and energy supply security and price affordability. That's not easy. And if we do accelerate the coal phase out, that can lead into energy crisis. That can lead into, I said in the forum, if we cannot provide secure supply and also affordability price, the energy transition will be, I said it, crash take off. You take off, but if it happen, it will not, because crash will not fly again after that. There will be no transition. I say that in front of the forum that support energy transition partnership last month in Jakarta, and they don't challenge me, so they accept it. Yeah, they accept that it is important to keep the energy security and also the energy affordability because that's the foundation. And if this cannot be made, then transition, we cannot go with the transition. Because 0 minutes, I think I end this because so many slides, yeah, 10 minutes, so many slides maybe. So that's all from me, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Herman, for the sharing, and we know that Mr. Herman shared about the key of success and also the challenge of the just and orderly energy transition. But it's interesting that Mr. Herman also note the definition of both just and orderly transition. So we can consider the definition as a part of our guidance in the next future, Mr. Herman.